You clean laminate floors with a vacuum cleaner, 2 buckets, a mop and Quickstep Clean. A dirty floor is unavoidable, but you can clean it in no time with the following tips. A Quickstep floor is easy to maintain. It doesn't require a lot of work. Start by vacuuming the floor thoroughly. A parquet broom on your vacuum cleaner will prevent scratches, then mop to remove all the dust. Fill a bucket according to the ratio of 1 cap of Quickstep Clean per 5 litres of water. Put clean water in a second bucket. You can use it to rinse out the mop or floor cloth so you're not just moving the dirt around. Dunk the mop in the mixture of cleaner and water, wring out well and swiftly move around the floor. Professional tip: always try to end by mopping in the direction of the boards to avoid streaks. Need more tips? Take a look at the other Quickstep tutorials.